single shot filter baskets and portafilters. Compared to their double shot counterparts, there's really very little information out there on how to properly pull a shot with one. So today, we'll be going over exactly that and seeing how to pull espresso using a single shot filter basket. The first thing to understand is that there should be no reason to adjust your grind setting when switching between a single and double shot filter basket. This is because the size and shape of a single shot filter is designed in such a way that it compensates for the reduced dose, allowing you to achieve the same flow rate as with the matching double shot filter. For me personally, I found that dialing an espresso is easier when using a double shot filter basket. So my suggestion is to first dial in your grind setting using the double shot filter and then maintain that grind setting and brew ratio when the need arises to pull a single shot. Next, we come to the most common question about single shot baskets. What should my dose be? If a standard double shot filter uses between 18 and 21 grams, then as you would expect, a single shot filter will generally fit between 9 and 11 grams. My personal experience is that leaning further towards 11 grams generally yields a better result, but you may need to play around with this depending on if you're using an undersized portafilter or a full-sized 58mm portafilter. Like I mentioned earlier, if you're already dialed in on a double shot of espresso, the grind setting and the brew ratio should transfer over to produce a similar tasting single shot. This means that if you typically enjoy an 18-gram dose with a 1 to 2.5 brew ratio, yielding 45 grams out in 30 seconds, the equivalent single shot recipe would be a 9-gram dose, yielding 22.5 grams in 15 seconds. Maintaining the same ratio of milliliters of water per gram of coffee per second is the key to achieving a single shot that tastes the same as a dialed in double shot. Two other questions I've seen several times are, can I just stop my double shot early? Or can I just dose 9 grams into my double shot filter? The answer to both of these questions is no. If you simply stop a double shot early to achieve a single shot, you are not maintaining the same brew ratio, and the resulting espresso will taste very under-extracted compared to if you let it run for the intended double shot yield. If you try to circumvent this by reducing how much you dose, but still into a double shot basket, you will still not produce the same result. The reduced puck thickness due to the reduced dose will result in a faster flow rate because it will provide less resistance. And there will also be a large air gap between the group head and the coffee, resulting in a soggy, messy, and uneven puck. So to summarize, dial in your espresso first using the double shot basket with traditional ratios. Cut your dose, target yield, and target time in half to achieve the same flow rate and therefore a similar tasting espresso with your single shot. And of course, always use a single shot basket when trying to pull a single shot. It has specific design characteristics to manage the flow with a lower dose. If this video was helpful for you, please leave a like and even consider subscribing if you want to see some more videos like this in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.